Did you know that an American invented bubblegum? His name was Walter Deemer, and he sold each piece for 1 penny. Can you imagine 1 cent? But look at this store. So many to choose from. Flavors, sizes, shapes. I dare your family to have a gum chewing contest. The winner? The biggest bubble. Chew up, mates. Chew. What's the first sound? Yeah, it's the sneezy H brother. Achoo! Ch. What's number 2 in chew? That's right, U. In this case, it's the last sound of the word. So we spell it with E-W. EU. One more time. Chew. Ch. U. A new minty pack. Let's open it. Whoa! 14 pieces, all for myself. Okay, I'll share. This is the part that I want you to remember. So let's cover it up using our gum sticks. Chew. Let's sound it out together. Ch. U. And that, my friends, is how you spell ch. C-H. Thanks for watching!